Welcome to How to Start a Website 2.0. You can find the blog article that goes with this session at howtostartawebsite2.com/WP setup. Alright, so this is going to be the final video of going through the setting tabs in our WordPress dashboard. So let's get down to it. Come over to the left hand side and hover over settings, and we're going to come down and we're going to do permalinks, the very last tab in our settings. So here are the common settings. The default is the URL and like a question mark, P equals a number, and what the heck is this and what is it for? When you create pages and posts, WordPress assigns a numeric value to those pages and to those posts, and depending on how you want your URL to look, this is where you can set that up, and these are the various settings that are available to you. So like I said, the default is this question mark P equals some number. You can also select the day and the name, so it gives you the day, the month, day, and year, and then it finally gives you the name of the page or the post. Again, that kind of goes back to what I was saying in the media file. Why would you want to make your filing structure so much more cumbersome for looking for things when you need to? And here again, it is both the day and the name, or the month and the name. So this is the month and the year and the name. For whatever reason you had to go into your back end to look for these things, you're searching through numerous folders instead of just it being filed all in one place. And this also makes your URL much lengthier and more difficult for people to type in, or for you to, let's say you want to share this URL out on the internet somewhere. It's a lot more text for you to have to grab and put into place. And if it's not completely right, you know probably perfectly well by now that one wrong character and the link doesn't work. So you're just making it harder to get the link right so that it works. You can also just have it be numeric, and it puts in the word archives and then just the number of the page or the post. The most common setting that most people use is post name. It's the most straightforward, it's the most user-friendly. It's your URL, it's your domain name, / and then just the name of the page or the name of the post. It's what most people go with, and it's what I recommend, it's what I use. Now you also have the ability, if you want, you can come up with a completely different hierarchy, and you can use a category base and a tag base, and it would create something like what you're seeing over here with the example.org topics uncategorized. And depending on what you put in here, that's what would show up over here, and then the name of your page or your post. But like I said, I recommend going with post name, and we'll keep it pretty straightforward. So we're going to click Save Changes, and that's it. We are finally through all of the tabs under settings in our WordPress dashboard. And the next video, I promise, we're finally going to do some fun stuff. We're going to finally start actually building some content onto our website, and we're going to get into pages and posts. The boring stuff is behind us, and I bet you're glad. So I'll see you next time, and we'll start getting some content onto our site. Thank you for watching and listening to another session from How to Start a Website 2.0. This episode is just one of many available inside my online course. Register for free today at howtostartawebsite2.com/thevault.